Hi, my name is Jenna. We are from Montgomery Community Media Explorer Club 995, and we are doing a project that will be entered in the C-SPAN Student Camp Film Competition.
Hi, my name is Destiny, and our project will be based on the Sixth Amendment, which is a section of the Bill of Rights that guarantees a citizen speedy trial, a fair jury, an attorney if the accused person wants one, and a chance to confront the witness who is accusing them of a crime.
Hi, my name is Lauren. The Sixth Amendment is important to us because we believe that everyone deserves to be treated fairly, especially in a court of law. Enjoy our project!
All persons having business before the Honorable, the Supreme Court of the United States are admonished to draw near and give their attention.
So the Sixth Amendment, all the pieces that you described are very important to make sure that the defendant who is charged with a crime is treated fairly.
The Sixth Amendment contains a lot of the pieces of what everybody thinks of as a fair trial.
A person who is accused of a crime has the right to a fair trial, has the right to a speedy trial, that they don't get put in jail and forgotten about.
The Sixth Amendment makes sure that the defendants are guaranteed certain rights.
The Founding Fathers wanted to make sure that in our new country, they had rights that would protect them if they were accused of a crime.
You're under arrest. You have the right to an attorney.
Right to remain silent.
You have the right to an attorney.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law.
The Sixth Amendment makes sure that the defendants are guaranteed certain rights.
So it's really just a collection of rights, like the right to have a lawyer with you, and the right to confront witnesses, which is really the right to cross-examine witnesses, and all of those rights together are intended to ensure that defendants get what we generally think of as a fair trial.
In our new country, they had rights that would protect them if they were accused of a crime, if a citizen was accused of a crime.
Many people, before the right to counsel came about, they would go to trial and be represented by themselves. Most individuals don't have any legal experience, they have no legal training, they've never been to law school, they're not lawyers, they don't know what the rules are, they don't know what the laws say. And so that right to counsel is important because it makes sure the defendant is represented by a person who is trained in those areas to make sure that all of the rules are complied with.
It's critically important that a person who is accused of a crime has the right to a fair trial, has the right to a speedy trial, that they don't get put in jail and forgotten about.
The Bill of Rights was added on in order to ensure that the legislative power could not be used and the executive power could not be used to basically interfere with the rights that the founders were most concerned with guaranteeing individuals in certain circumstances.
So if the Sixth Amendment was repealed, many defendants would appear in court without a lawyer. That would be an extreme situation, but that's what likely would occur, because many defendants who come to court don't have the money or the resources to hire a lawyer. And so in order to implement the right to counsel, the Public Defender Service throughout the United States was created, so that if a defendant is charged with a crime and they can't afford a lawyer, a public defender will represent them free of charge if they qualify under their financial criteria.
If they sent somebody to jail, they didn't have to explain themselves.
Another huge thing huge change that would occur would be that now it's the responsibility of the state and the government to push forward their investigations and prosecutions to make sure that defendants are tried in a timely way. A huge thing that would occur if the Sixth Amendment was repealed is more than likely the Public Defender Service would go away and you'd have the majority of defendants appearing in court without a lawyer.
When the King of England accused somebody of a crime, he had divine right, and so nobody could question his decision. He could put you in jail for no reason at all, for any length of time, and you could just sit in there and rot.
And therefore the Constitution is there to make sure that, that nothing unfair occurs to convict a person of a crime unless certain safeguards have been met.